check. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do the watercolor technique using Kiss Colors. I'll be using Kiss Colors Gunmetal Gray. And I'm now warming up the water, letting it get as hot as it possibly can. I am not going to boil the water. I'm going to do trying to say room temperature. I'm trying to say I'm just going to let it get hot and just use the hot water and use that and pour the color in. That's all. So as I pour the color in, still waiting for it to go, but as I pour the color in, I just squirt it in. I don't do any measurements or anything. I just pour it in. I squirt the water in. It came out purple. Don't mind that. Most grays are purple, so that's not, don't think it's gonna come out purple. Most gray colors are purple when they come out the bottle. But yeah, let me just go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing, and then I'll check back in with you in a couple of minutes or whatever. Alright guys, so I'm finally dipping my hair in the water. I can already see that the color is going darker already. I'm using the Kiss Colors Gunmetal Gray, and I like this line. Honestly, I think I will be using it more often. I really do like it. I don't know if they beat my Adore, but I really like this line. And I know as y'all see me dipping this hair into the water, you see that I have some blonde pieces in the front. So the closure, I didn't show you pictures of the hair. The closure was blonde. It was blonde with black roots. So I took some lightener and I went up a little bit to give myself highlights around my face. So that's what those blonde pieces are. And they colored well also. But you'll see that in the end or in the beginning, the intro. But yeah, so right here I am just taking it and pouring some more gray on there, brushing it through and all of that. And when you do this, you're going to continuously add color because the water does soak up the color. It's purple, so once the purple is all gone, add more color. I meant that the hair soaks up the color. Okay, so right here I am now painting in my fun colors. So I am doing blue. It is, dang, I forgot the blue. Yeah, I forgot the blue. Okay, so I'm doing blue and purple on this part. I'm doing a color melt blend job. So I'm just going to be mashing a lot of colors into the back of the hair, the portion of the hair. So when I turn my head left to right to left, you'll see those colors. All right. And if you guys are wondering why I did the whole hair gray first and then did this, it's because I knew that these colors would go over the gray easily. They will definitely, gray is a really light color, so the blues, the pinks, and the purples would definitely easily go over the gray. So save yourself less work if you decide to do this. Do the gray first, and then go back in with your fun colors. Because gray, you can change it. It's very light. And the colors came out perfect. So yeah, just save yourself some work. And I know someone asked is gonna be like, why you don't got on gloves? Listen, okay? Look. Alright. I don't have on any gloves because I just didn't have any more. And when you get the energy to do something, you just do it. No questions asked. You just do it. I know that this color will come off in the shower. They'll come off in the shower. So I know I didn't have no gloves. I used to color hair all the time with no gloves. It's not good, but I just had the energy to do it, and I just got off of work, and I had the energy to do it. So if you got the energy, just do it. So the way I decide what my next colors will be is I just see whatever's on my hand and see what the colors blend together and what they made. Excuse me. I'll just rub the rest of it off of my hand into the hair, and if it's more pink or more purple or more blue, I'll just do that next. So that's just how I decided on what colors I was doing next. Alright guys, I'm just continuing to go ahead and blend more colors in, and while you're still here, I guess I'll give a slight review on the MAYVENN hair. Again, so if you want to, go check out my last videos on the 613 MAYVENN hair and some other MAYVENN hair I've had previously. I had something to say about this hair, and now I might be changing my views on it a little bit. But right now, let's just go into a clip seeing how it looked after. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys the quick way of me styling it. I just did some wand curls. That's usually how I wear this hair. And I want to show you guys the color, the different blends and all of that. But going back to the slight review of this hair, I now am starting to like it. Like, I think after I changed the color, after, like, I don't even know. It still sheds, but it doesn't shed as much anymore. And I know that the frontal was really the cause for most of the shedding. The hair, yeah, I don't really hate it anymore. Like, I would say, honestly, y'all, I would say get it. I suggest their closure though, because as usual, I always suggest their closure. Their closure is just what I like. But if you want to try their frontal, go ahead. They have that exchange policy, but I seriously believe going with their closure would be the best bet. And yeah. Alright y'all, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming at you soon, y'all. So I have a shopping addiction, and I don't know where the hell it's coming from. I don't know what the hell it is. Maybe I'm stressed. I don't know, but I won't stop buying stuff. Alright guys, I am not high. I am not drunk. I try to put myself back on my allergies. Where I buy one thing per paycheck, so I always feel like I got stuff coming in. It's allergy season, so this is what you get. And I'll probably look like this the majority of my videos. And it was hot as hell in that room. I just bought some more shit. And then after I bought that shit, I was like, I want some tennis shoes. And I said to myself, I said I will buy me some tennis shoes next pay period. But you know what the problem is? I wanted to go find the shoes that I was going to purchase next pay period. And then I got on Finish Line. I went to East Bay, one of these sites. I think I went to Finish Line. I ended up going to Finish Line somehow. And guess what the fuck I saw? Nike dropped a brand new line. It's the Just Do It line. And I'm like, these niggas just dropped a collab or something? Like, what? So I go through looking through the thing, and they had the, they're not the Vapor Max Plus. Let me look at these up real quick, y'all, because it's going to get on my nerves if I can't. Ooh, I just turned off my fan, and it's already hot as hell up in here with this damn light on. But yes, like they had, I think they're the Air Max Plus, and they had them in orange. Like they had them in orange, and I was like, what the hell? Hold on, let me go look at them real quick, because they got them on here. So I end up getting another pair, but I wanted these. These is what struck it. Oh wait, no, this is what I really wanted right here, and they only have it in men. It's the Air Max 95s right here, and I think these are so damn fly. But they only have those in men. Like, y'all couldn't put the 95 orange in women. Come on now, that's what the hell. But they had put these in women, and I was like so excited. I was jumping. Okay, they don't have them on here. It's the other site that has them. God damn it, I'm trying to show y'all. But let me show y'all what I end up getting. Like, I end up getting, I didn't buy from here.
So I end up getting some Air Force Ones, high top Air Force Ones. So this is my first high top Air Force One, but it's also orange. So I don't know, I just could not top myself from buying these. I needed them for some goddamn reason. I bought them in the boy size. I just was like, what the hell? Like, I was to myself, I was like, you getting your bills down, you just keep doing it. You just, so I will not, y'all, it's just a shopping addiction. Like, this channel is going to have a whole rack of clothes on it pretty soon, and maybe like shoes, but it's like, who the fuck do I think I am? It's like I want to buy a whole rack of clothes for these places I'm supposed to go, but I don't really have anywhere to go right now. I just think I'm going places, but I don't really have anywhere to go. I keep telling myself, I'm like, self, and I told my friend, I was like, friend, because my other friends, one of them, she's not even here, and the other one, she just doesn't go outside of the house because she just likes to be under her dude. And if we do gotta take her, if she does leave the house, we got to pull her out by her goddamn hair. Okay, she drag her out by her teeth because she don't ever want to leave the goddamn house. So I told my friend, I said, friend, and I said myself, I said, I want to do stuff this winter, like this fall, winter. I want to be out in public. I want to meet people. I'm single. I want to do shit. I want to be out. I don't want to be in no fucking house. I don't want to be bored. So I'm like buying outfits for stuff that I may not even go to. Like, it's just like I want to have clothes. I don't want to keep cycling through the same stuff. Like, I have 10 pairs of pants, bottoms, right? But I feel like I constantly go to the same 3. So I really want to get a new, I'm so rambling like shit. Like, it is so, but if you're still here, you okay. But I mean, it's like I want to get another pair of favorite jeans or something. So I keep buying jeans, but yet I have not got another favorite pair. And I keep constantly switching it. It's just too much. And then I'm buying so many jackets because you got to have outerwear, and I barely have any. So it's just like, shopping too much. But I also got so much, it's besides just shopping, it'll be hair videos coming soon also. I have a new video coming up soon where I will be revamping some goddamn hair. It's in the corner, it's dead, and I'm going to revive it, rise like Lazarus on that hair because it is dead. It is square. So I'm going to fix it up. It's like all over the place with the lights and I thought I could highlight it, but it's so multicolored. It's just a lot that we gotta do. So that will be on the video on the channel soon as well. But for the rest of this month, I think, and maybe half of next month, maybe I might probably do the hair video next month. It will be closed. It's just closed. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I think I forgot to say in the beginning earlier, if you're still here, follow my Instagrams. I want to make them more clean, more pristine, and I'm going to try to be active. I'm trying. I'm not promising, but I'm trying. I take pictures and never post them. So I'm trying. But follow me on my hair page if you want to just see me strictly do hair. It's StylesMalia_. And if you want to see anything else and you just want to be seeing what the hell I'm doing when I'm trying to get on my ass and do some stuff, it is ImaniMalia. ImaniMalia. That's everything else except for my hair Insta at Facebook, Twitter. ImaniMalia. It's my first and my middle name. I only have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. That's it. YouTube. So that's about it. That's all I have. So anything else like MySpace or anything, if you find my old MySpace, cool. But I do still have MySpace from back in the day, but I have no clue what the damn name is. I never deleted it. I just stopped getting on it. To be honest, I got on my MySpace like in 2016 to see what the hell it looked like. It's still the same. But I cannot remember anything about it. I don't even know what the hell I was doing. But if you find my old MySpace, I didn't delete it even after that. I never deleted it. So, yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. New videos coming soon. I'm going to try to be more active. I'm really enjoying this YouTube thing. I'm really just enjoying my life and just putting out my best content for me and for people who might want to come along for the ride. Watch me blossom into a beautiful flower, rose, whatever your favorite flower is. Watch me blossom, because it's going to be from nothing to something, and that's really just the truth. It is hot as hell. I am sweating. I had to turn off my fan and refilm this because I already filmed this outro, And I liked it, but the fan was on. So, peace. Y'all. Peace, y'all.